Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you two steps on how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed in Windows or computer. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you open it, here at the upper top search bar, please type Chrome colon // flags and then click enter to continue. The moment you're here in the experiments, in the search icon, please search for parallel. The moment you search that, this highlighted one will appear. Here in parallel downloading, if you enable this parallel downloading to accelerate download speed for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android, just have to set this enabled and once done, make it relaunched. Okay? After that, just have to open your Google Chrome again. And here at the upper right side of your screen, you can see there three dots. Please press that, click that to see more and look for settings. Here, settings, just click that to continue. Once you're here at the settings, at the search icon again, please search for background. Background or site settings. Here it has this one result inside or under the site settings. Just click that to see more. Here, as you can see, it has this permissions. In this different options, you need to make sure that under the location, collapse unwanted request is in default or enabled because this will take a lot of resources in your computer if it is enabled. Might as well in the camera, you need to make sure that don't allow sites to use your camera is enabled also. Also here in the microphone, make sure that this is enabled. Don't allow sites to use your camera because this will just affect the performance of your Google Chrome, especially when downloading. It will take slow. Okay? As well as here in the notification, might as well that collapse unwanted request is enabled. Okay? Once done, just have to go back again and you can now start downloading. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix Google Chrome which has a slow download speed. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.